Going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I don't really know what I'm going to talk about because it's the first video. Probably just going to get into who I am, what I do, what the channel is going to be about, and what you guys are going to see. I'm Brandon, local to Vancouver, Washington, live the Pacific Northwest. Lived here my whole life. As you can tell probably from the thumbnail, it's going to be all about everything I got in my driveway and more. Professionally, I'm a certified automotive technician. Work full-time. Just had a son. He's fantastic. My girlfriend, she is absolutely the best. You'll see her sometime soon. Matter of fact, you guys will probably end up seeing a lot of my family. I'm a big family person. A lot of my friends, they'll probably end up coming around a little more now that Tobias is here and everything's kind of slowing down a little bit. We got a couple projects coming up, especially one big one with my dad. It's a truck he's always wanted to put together, and so have I. We've had the thing for, gosh, I think almost 12 years now. As far as upload is gonna go, I don't know how much I'm gonna upload right now because I'm just starting out. It could be multiple videos a week, could be, one a week. We'll see. Just kind of depends on how fast I can get the ball rolling on getting some stuff for these cars. Luckily I don't have to do all of it in my driveway. I do have access to a shop with a lift, and that'll make it a little bit easier to get some good quality footage for you guys. This weekend we have the Clark County Fair coming up. Only going for one day, maybe, we'll see. I got tickets for one day this coming Saturday. Today is actually Sunday. We plan to go watch the Tough Trucks event. Hopefully I can do it next year. That would be super cool. Got to find a good rig to do it. You can't always find a decent running, driving, four-wheel drive vehicle for $500 or less. It's kind of difficult sometimes. I guess it would be good to probably go and get some equipment. I don't really have anything. I don't have a tripod. I don't have anything that can hold my equipment. All I'm really using right now is an iPhone XS Max. It's fantastic. Obviously it's got really good 4K quality. So I think I'm gonna go hit up Best Buy and see what I can find. Alright guys, this is what I got. I got this little guy right here. It's probably gonna help a lot with holding my phone. It was only like 15 bucks or something. It's not too bad. I actually tested it out in the store, and you get what you pay for, but it's not all that bad. I also got this tripod, and it is crazy tall. It's just plastic, nothing special. It was like 20 bucks too. Yeah, it wasn't very expensive. Both of them came with attachments for a cell phone, so that's pretty dope. So we got the Civic here. Picked this car up for actually dirt cheap. It came with this clutch that I have. It's a 6-puck sprung clutch by Impact. I don't really know the kind of quality it's going to be, but free is free, and I'm totally willing to check it out and see how it feels. The clutch in the car isn't exactly bad. It just has a weird engagement, and I'd rather just put a new clutch in it just because I can, and it's a super easy job. I got this shift boot for the car as well. It came with it. I also have this, what's it called, RPS racing steering wheel. I've had this wheel for at least a year. I'm not entirely certain. I can't remember, but it was for a car that I had that had a nice tan interior, and I never got around to putting it in before I sold the car. If anybody has like a red, or not red, like a black Momo or an NRG wheel, or something that's black or gray, I'll totally trade you, even if it's used, even if it's a little beat up. Obviously it's not falling apart. I got some standards. Hit me up, I'll totally trade you. As far as the car goes, it's not too bad. It's a little beat up, paint's not the greatest. It had some really ugly wheels on it. I traded some kid for these Rotas. Unfortunately 2 of the tires need to be replaced, but they're super cheap tires, so it doesn't really matter all that much. The car did have some goodies on it. As you can see, it's got a Greddy carb legal header on it. It has an actual password JDM intake. We all know what kind of intake that is. I don't really need to tell you. headlights on this thing are super gross. I gotta clean those up. We'll probably do that here soon. Do something crazy with them. It's the first white Civic I've ever had. I've always wanted a white one, and it is an EX, so it's got a sunroof and electronic options. The center console's out because it was just destroyed. I'm trying to find a new one. If anybody's got one, hit me up. Let me know. I'll buy it from you. I also need some seats if anybody's got some. Looking for some 99 2000 EK coupe seats. The reason being is that they have the adjustment down there on the bottom like these ones don't. I don't really know what's going on with the gauge cluster. I'm gonna change that back to black, or maybe find an SI cluster. That'd be pretty cool. All this stuff I'm mentioning, if anybody's got it, just hit me up. I'll totally buy it from you. As far as other stuff goes, this car does have coilovers on it. They're Tokicos. I don't really know if you can get them anymore. They look like they were pretty old when I had the car up on jack stands. It also has a Skunk 2 camber kit, front and rear. And it has EM1 rear disc brakes with new drilled and slotted rotors and new pads. All new everything. The e-brake even works, so that's a plus. As far as the back goes, it's got some 99 2000 tails, which I actually had to rewire. I didn't know that until I, pressed on the brake and the right blinker turned on. It's got this little duckbill window visor thing. I don't really know what people call it these days, but I'm not really a fan. If anybody wants this, just hit me up. I'm going to end up taking it off the car here soon once I start doing probably some paint correction on it. As far as the exhaust, it actually has like a high flow cat full, I believe 2.5 to a, believe it or not, a flowmaster. Craziest thing, I've never seen a flowmaster on a Civic before, especially just one of the steel ones. Sounds really good though. Luckily with this car, everything has worked. The only thing I've had to do is recharge the AC just because it wasn't quite cold enough. The inside, like I said, is pretty trashed. I do need a headliner, so if anybody has one for an EX coupe, hit me up. I will buy it from you, like ASAP. I think as of right now, I'm probably just gonna drive it and improve on it, make it better. I do need like some motor mounts, so hopefully I can find some of those. If anybody's got one, specifically for the driver's front, this hydraulic one is wasted. It just jumps all over the place. I think what I'm gonna do right now is get these headlights cleaned up. They're totally bothering me. I've been staring at them for like 2 weeks and I cannot take how cloudy they are. So we're gonna jump right into that. can see. So as you can see, a lot clearer, a lot less haze. Granted, I'm not using any kind of polish, it's just a cutting compound, but it's a lot better. The light output will be fantastic. Here is a comparison with the other side. Now the sun glare probably makes it look a lot worse than it actually is, but that is much, much better. Now we're gonna get this other side ready. Alright guys, that's it for today. It's like 95 degrees out here and I'm sweating bullets. I'm gonna go hop in the shower and get cleaned up. Hopefully you guys enjoyed what you saw today. Please like, subscribe, share, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.